The nut and bolt welding project can be really cool and artistic. When you weld nut and bolts together, you are not just creating something functional, but also something that can be visually appealing. It's like turning ordinary hardware into a art. One common project is making a sculpture of different things. As you can see in this video, you can weld them together in a different shapes and sizes to create an animal, motorcycles, and the many more things. It's a fun way to express your creative and make something unique for your home and the garden. Another idea is to create a decorative piece like a scorpion and this smart and cool lizard and this miniature elephant. And you can even make a picture frame or even a furniture using welding nut bolt by arranging them in an interesting pattern and the design. You can add a touch of industrial chic to your space. One common project is making something. It's a fun way to express your creativity. Some people also use to nut bolt for a beautiful hand sculpture and this a dog sculpture and the many more other things. When it comes to welding nut and bolt, the possibilities are endless. You can experiment with different sizes, shapes, and arrangements to create something truly one of a kind. And the best part is, you don't need a lot of fancy equipment to get started. Just some nut and bolts, a welding machine, and a bit of imagination. Whether you are a seasonal welder looking for a new challenge or something just starting out, the world of welding nut bolt project is a great way to unleash your creativity and make something beautiful aesthetic. Give it a try and see what you can create. Just imagine you are walking into the room, this stunning sculpture crafted entirely from a welding nut and bolts. Each piece is testament of the creativity and the skill of the artist. The interplay of light and shadow on the metal surface create mesmerizing pattern, adding a depth and the dimension to the work. One of the fascinating aspects of the nut bolt welding project is the versatility of the material. Nut bolts come in various shapes, sizes, and the finishes, offering endless possibilities to the artistic expression. Some artists prefer the raw industrial look for the underrated metal, while others may choose to polish, paint, or patina their creation for a more refined artistic look. In sculpture, artists manipulate nut and bolt to mimic the curves and the contours of the human from the graceful line and the nature. With careful planning and the precise welding, the breathe life into a inert metal, transforming into a dynamic and expansive work of art. Whether it's a sleek minimalist sculpture or the whimsical assemble to the recycled hardware, each piece tells a unique story and invite viewers to interpret the meaning. Beyond sculpture, nut and bolt welding can be used to fabricate functional yet visually striking objects for the home or the garden. Picture frame and the different type of tractor, as you can see in this video, catching the light, and their metallic chain necklace and the bracelet embedded with the welding nut and bolt make a statement showcasing the one unique sense of style and the creativity. The beauty of nut and bolt welding project lies not only in the finished product but also in the process itself. Each weld represents a most of transformation. The aspirate pieces of metal fused together to form something new and extraordinary. It's a testament of the power of human integrity as well as celebration of the inherent beauty found in everyday object. In conclusion, nut and bolt welding project offer a rich canvas of artistic exploration, whether creating sculpture, functional decor, or the wearable art. The beauty and aesthetic of these projects are limited not only imagination to the creator. So why not pick up a welding torch and start turning nut and bolt into a work of art today? The nut and bolt project often feature an intricate pattern interplay for the texture and the contrast. The smooth polished surface of welding nut bolt juxtaposed the rugged industrial look. Bolt create visually captivating composition. These contrasts add a depth and a visual interest to the artwork, drawing the viewer's eyes and inviting closer inspection. Another aspect that contribute to the beauty of nut and bolt welding project is a careful consideration of scale and the proportion. Artists may experiment with different size of nuts and the bolt, arranging them in a beautiful composition that evoke a sense of balance and the harmony. By playing a scale, artists can create a dynamic and a visual effect, making their piece stand out and command attention. Just as important as a nut and bolt themselves is a space between them. Skilled welders utilize negative space to create a breathing room within their composition, allowing light to pass through the emphasizing the sculpture quality of their work. This clever use of negative space adds a sense of lightness and the appearance to the artwork, enhancing its overall beauty and elegance. While the natural metallic and the nut and bolt undoubtedly striking, artists often experiment with color or finish to further enhance the aesthetic appeal of their creation. Through techniques such as painting, powder coating, and the chemical patination, they can introduce a rich palette of color and the texture, more vibrant and the blush, stubble, earth tone. So beyond their visual appeal, nut and bolt welding project can also be carry symbolic significance and a personal meaning. Artists may draw inspiration from their own experiences, emotions, cultural heritage, infusing their creation with layer of symbolism and the narrative. Each nut and bolt become a masterpiece for connection, resilience, and the transformation, responding with the viewers on a deeper level of fostering a sense of connection and the empathy. In sense, nut and bolt welding project transcend their utilization origin to become an object of beauty and the fascination through skilled craftsmanship, thoughtful design, and the creative expression. Artists transform their ordinary hardware into an extraordinary, beautiful piece of art, and they provoke through a weather display, galleries, garden, and the everyday space. These creations serve as a reminder of boundless potential and the human creativity and the imagination. I hope you people are doing so well. Here is our today's video. We are back again with this video, so rest of the video is here. If you want to see more content like this, please do subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you so much.